Hi everybody. Today we are going to take a look at the creating holes tutorial, or as we call it, the wrench. All right, so in this project it says you will learn how to remove material from another shape using the hole feature. Check out the entire project on Tinkercad. All right, so we're going to do this right here. We've got our wrench right there. They've made that for us. We are going to click next. Okay, and you can see that our wrench, I'm sorry, I moved this a little bit, so I'm going to just fix that a bit. All right, our wrench is right there in the middle, and you can see the hint is right here. They're waiting for the hexagon. It says draw a blue polygon shape to the work plane, which is right here. Okay. Now, in the first lesson we did this, we learned about the cruise feature. And I'm going to draw this over and watch what happens. The cruise feature drops it automatically on top, and that's kind of a pain. So I'm going to delete that. I'm going to draw out another hexagon, but I'm just going to put it on the work plane. Once it's on the work plane, we can actually now just drag it over here and it will go in the middle of the wrench. Because we're creating a hole, we want this shape to go through the wrench. So you can see right here, the hexagon is entered into part of the wrench. Okay. So now it says, do you know that you can change any shape into a hole tool? Yep, you sure can. So select the polygon by left clicking on it right there. Oops, sorry, I got the wrench. I want the polygon. There we go. And now we're going to come over here and we're going to change from solid to hole. So that creates the same shape in empty space. Remember, this stripe pattern means that our shape is actually empty space in that shape. Okay, so I think most of you know what a wrench looks like. There's an empty space where you can fit it around the nut that you need to tighten or loosen. All right, so I'm going to hit the next button, and it's going to tell me select both items. So my hexagon is selected, and I'm going to hold down the shift key and click on the wrench. Oops, for some reason that disconnected. So I'm going to click on the hexagon again. All right, and we're not clicking on that. So let's see. I'm going to click on there. We're going to come click on the wrench. Now it says I've got shapes too. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click on the group it tool. Okay. And now it's going to take a second. And now I'm just going to click over here and I'm going to drag my wrench down. And you can see I've created an opening in the wrench. Doesn't look 100% perfect, but for our purposes, we have been successful because we've created the empty space that we were trying to create. Okay. I'm going to click next to go on to the next step just because I like to see the fireworks. You've been successful. So what you want to do is you want to take a screenshot of this because you're going to turn this in as part of your portfolio at the end. Now I'm going to click done and it's going to ask if we want to continue. The second must do that we have to do is scale, copy, and paste, which you can only find right here. You won't find it in the list of tutorials. So I'm going to click OK or continue, and we're going to go on to the next one, which is scale, copy, and paste. Okay? So go ahead and get that done. Take a screenshot of scale, copy, and paste when you get that done, and then you'll have what you need to be successful with your must-dos. Thanks for watching.